Okay guys, look. We are going to put it back the camshaft. Number one, lubricate the bearings. That's the secret. Keep the bearings lubricated and lubricate the main journals with grease. No, the main journals. And the process is slow. Don't try to introduce finger here or here. You cut it. Believe me, you cut it.
Sure.
Okay, number one, we are going to pass the first one. And you rotate. You pass the second one. And you rotate. You need to be prepared with the half moon.
Yep.
The half moon and the bolts.
Over there. Yep.
Number three. And now you manipulate with this.
And then we need the moon.
And now the half moon. Okay, now the half moon is ready.
I think it goes on the bottom.
Bottom side.
But
No, no. This is the last one.
It's got to go in after this. We put the moon in and then turn the gear to get it on. It's got to go past this slip. You're not gonna get it unless it's actually like all the way in.
no.
You get me?
Yeah, more.
Hold on.
Okay,
It's not lining up.
give me one moment, please. Okay, go ahead.
All right, we're good. What'd you do over there?
Hey, I had to lift the back end up because it's too heavy.
Gotcha.
Okay, and now,
And now we gotta get the half.
I am ready to introduce the half moon.
You gotta push it all the way forward,
A little.
and then we gotta turn it.
Look. A little.
And it,
Okay,
All right, and I
and
should-
now,
yep.
excuse me. Okay, you are ready. You see, guys? It's a process.
And then we'll have to turn it to get to the other one.
you know,
When you are ready, I help you. Okay? Good, Papa?
yeah, I have to get it moved a little bit to get
All right.
We'll turn it.
But let me explain something, guys. Look. What is the secret?
patience. Slow.
We are going to repeat the process because you need to bring the piston number one to top the center and put the marks of this, align it.
Like for us, we have this mark right here lines up with this guy.
Correct. When piston number one is in top the center. Before you introduce the cam,
Put
you
this
bring
in
the
the
piston
top
number one to top the center, and we repeat again.
Sounds good.
Okay.